were just talking to Beth about some of the improvement she's had. She was just telling us she's probably like 95% better with how her neck is feeling with the neck stiffness since she started care with us. But tell us about your tinnitus.
I have had tinnitus in my right ear for some time, and I have the buzzing sound that is pretty consistent. But after all of this work, I have had such a reduction in my tinnitus. It's fabulous. And I actually have some now distortion as I move my head in the sound of the tinnitus, which means that
There's a relationship
there is a
between
relationship.
the neck and what that sounds like. Awesome.
Yeah, it's wonderful. In addition to that, when I came here, I was really very debilitated from an accident I had had. And I was having a lot of nerve-related issues in my chest and thorax and stomach, and all that has disappeared, all of it. I can sleep through the nights. I have my ability to work out again. I'm
Awesome.
so excited about this work. So.